I, Mike Adams, promise to become the best president in the history of the school.
Oh, Mike, my vote and my heart are yours forever.
Huh?
Where are the rest?
You won't become president. Don't even dream about it. Oh, Mike, my love.
A mustache?
No, it's him.
Oh, well done.
Good afternoon.
Susie, no campaigning today. Remove your voting mask.
Whatever you say.
Oh, Susie, she's hopeless.
Hi, Mike. Whoa, the ballot box came down to the voters. The box is moving. No, it can't be. Again? Wait, I'm just seeing things. Let's vote. The students are choosing their candidates. And Susie is getting rid of the extra votes.
Ew.
Tin, trash. Mike, here. I did my public duty.
Hello, voters. A vote for me is a vote for your future. I am so sick of this. Hi, guys. Vote for me. Support the people's candidate.
Coat a printed text with food plastic. Trace the caption with a marker. Bake on parchment paper for 1 minute at 320 degrees. Make a few badges. Add pins on the back.
I have a stylish pin for everyone. See you around. Hey, what about me?
I need these pins. I'll pay anything. Yay! Now my collection is complete.
Hello. I'm running a poll. Which candidate are you going to pick? The highly motivated, charismatic leader or the other one?
May I? I want to vote. I don't need a pen. Susie figured out a way to tell Mike about her feelings.
Whoa! Now you go. Make the right choice.
Okay, just leave me alone.
Thanks for your support.
Anytime, Mike.
Who's gonna come up? So many volunteers. Amanda!
Again?
What does X equal?
Why would I know that? Hey, Susie, help me. No way. You're on the wrong side. What? It's just a picture. Are you happy now? Write on a t-shirt using fabric paint. Add a plastic pocket. What's the right answer? Right choice. The answer is 3. How can you not vote for this hot guy? Tin doesn't have a chance. Hi! Don't do that! Not Tin! But I really want to vote for him. Vote Adams and you'll get $100. It's fake. Thanks. I don't need it. Oh, Mike, don't worry. Now that's better.
Time's up. Pens down. Tin, let's take a look. I see. You get an F. But why? Not a single correct answer here. F. Susie? Great job. You nailed it. Hey, I can help you. Vote for me and you'll never get an F again.
Glue a lipstick tube and a cap together. Cut a circle out of foam board. Hot glue it. Cut slogan letters out of food plastic. Assemble a mirrored picture. Make 2 stamps.
Hey, I don't want to vote for you. I'm the future president. Mike Adams won't leave you high and dry. Bye, eh? Whoops. Sorry.
It's okay. I have my own stamp.
Oh, nice.
Oh, Mike! I'll leave this here so people don't forget to vote. Cutie. Oh, I didn't do that.
It's him again. Trash.
Oops.
Hey, be quiet. Susie, come up. What's with your skirt?
Cut out a picture. Cover it with plastic wrap and place it on a skirt. Add parchment paper on top and iron it.
Ha! That's the perfect spot for Adams. Oh, what a creative election campaign. What's going on here?
Whoops! That was awkward. The first cookie for me. This is trash. I have a different fortune. Get an egg, water, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 3½ ounces of powdered sugar, and 3½ ounces of flour. Separate the eggs. Whip the white to make foam. Put in powdered sugar and mix until you get a thick consistency. Add flour and vegetable oil. Mix and add water so it's still thick. Draw circles on parchment paper. Fill them with a thin layer of batter. Print phrases on thin strips of paper. Bake the cookies. Put in a paper and shape it while the cookies are still warm. Put the cookie in a cup to keep the shape. So much money! That's a fortune! Susie, where did you get the money? My fortune cookie guessed my future. Want to try it?
Duh! All the cookies are gone.
Wow! I wish I got money too. What? Vote for Adams? So that's my future?
Vote? That's dumb.
I don't believe in fortunes at all. It's finally election day. Yay! The students will choose their president today. Let's start voting. Wrap a box in paper. Add a cup for ballots. Make 2 boxes. Put styrofoam in one to fill half of the space. Cut the bottom out of the other one. Fold some paper like this. Glue it to the box. Tin's ballot box is overflowing. Of course! There's no room left here, or in the other box. What do I do? That's easy to fix. Bam! And the box can hold twice as much. Girls, there's only room here. You made the right choice.
Dear voters, wait, where's my speech? The sheet was in this folder.
Mike, you dropped it. Break a leg.
The goals of my campaign. What? I can't see anything because of the lipstick prints. I'm confused. Sorry, technical difficulties. What a special moment. Candidates, please come up on stage. Today, we'll find out who's going to be the college president. And the president is Susie!
Me? Really?
Yeah!
Yay!
Mike Adams is a loser! But how? Yay! Congratulations!
Thank you! Thanks! Where is everyone? Did you like our video? Then comment below and tell us who you would pick to be the college president. And don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so you don't miss any hilarious new videos.
from Troom Troom.